The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. A vibrant Nyonya classic, the egg and fish roll transforms simple ingredients into an elegant dish. Smooth, bouncy Spanish mackerel paste seasoned with salt, pepper, and tapioca flour is spread over a thin golden omelette. Rolled tight and steamed until firm, the log is sliced into striking pinwheel rounds, revealing a bright yellow spiral against the white fish. Served chilled or at room temperature with chili sauce, this textural delight offers a perfect balance of savory flavors and a fish paste, Spanish mackerel tapioca 600g, tapioca flour 2 teaspoons, salt 1½ teaspoon, pepper a good shake, water about 5 tablespoons. Omelettes, eggs 3 salt 1/2 teaspoon, cooking oil 1/4 tablespoon, for serving, chili sauce to taste. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Fillet the fish and scrape the flesh. Clean the Spanish mackerel and fillet it. Using a tablespoon, scrape off all the flesh from the bones and skin. Discard the bones and skin, keeping only the meat. 2. Pound the fish to a smooth paste. Pound the flesh in a mortar until it becomes a smooth paste. 3. Season and beat the paste. Return the paste to a big bowl and add the tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon of the salt, a good shake of pepper, and the water. Stir the ingredients together quickly to get a well-blended, tacky paste. If the paste looks firm and thick, add a little more water. It should be soft and sticky. 4. Season and prepare the eggs. Beat the eggs with the remaining 1/2 teaspoon salt. Set the beaten eggs aside near the stove. 5. Set up the steamer. Fill a steamer with water and bring it to a boil, ready for the rolls. Cooking steps. 1. Fry the thin omelettes. Heat the cooking oil in a frying pan and make 3 thin omelettes with the beaten eggs. Let each omelette cook until just set, then remove it from the pan. 2. Spread the paste on the omelettes. Lay the omelettes on a chopping board. Spread a portion of the fish paste over each omelette, using a wet knife to stop the paste from sticking to it. The paste should be spread evenly over the whole surface of the omelette. 3. Roll up each omelette. Roll up each omelette into a tight roll, making sure the filling stays evenly distributed inside. 4. Steam the rolls. Place the rolls in a steamer and steam over boiling water for 30 minutes until the fish paste is fully set and cooked through. 5. Slice and serve. Remove the rolls from the steamer. Slice each egg and fish roll into 0.5 cm thick slices and arrange them on a serving plate. Serve with chili sauce as a dip. Note from the sourcebook, this recipe gives the traditional way to make fish paste. If you prefer, refer to page 64 for how to make the same fish paste using a food processor or cake mixer. The machine does the beating for you and gives an equally smooth, bouncy result.